Let's review. 1. Mr. De Luna, a teacher in Arling Panlipunan, strongly believes in education as agent of social and cultural change. What would be the emphasis of his lessons? A. Current social issues and problems of the student's own community. B. Social life of the past and the far away. C. Political history of the great countries. D. Historical and geographical facts. 2. The function of schooling is determined largely by the generally accepted social conception of education. What is the function of the school curriculum in a school that regards education as cultural transmission? A. To serve as a unifying element among social classes. B. To serve a boundary breaking between social classes. C. To serve as an instrument to remove social status stratification. D. To serve as a boundary maintaining structure between social classes. 3. Education and culture tend to be cyclical. Which of the following clearly explains this statement? A. Culture is influenced by the school and the school is shaped by the school. B. Culture influences the school function as change agent. C. Culture is primarily transmitted by the school. D. Culture is learned basically from the school. 4. Mr. De Los Reyes views his students as a unique and responsible individuals. He plans activities and structures his teaching in such a manner that his students can develop his uniqueness. Which theory does he uphold? A. Perennialism. B. Realism, circa existentialism. D. Essentialism. 5. Ms. Guzman is a firm believer of Rousseau theory that education should be according to nature. To be in accord with nature, which of the following will Ms. Guzman do? A. Treat the child as little adults. B. Treat the child as a noble savage. C. Treat the child as though he was little adult. D. Treat the child according to he laws of growth and development. 6. Ms. Lita is a pragmatic teacher. Which of the following ideas will she reject? A. That knowledge is produced by a transaction between man and his environment. B. The values must alter as cultures and societies must change. C. That the mind is passive and receptive. D. That what works best is true. 7. John Dewey regarded education as a continuous process of experiencing and recognizing experience. Which statement explains best his ideas? A. Education takes place in school. B. Education goes on throughout life. C. Education continues anywhere, anytime. D. Education takes place formally with the teacher. 8. The Philippine New Elementary School Curriculum (NSEC) gives greater emphasis on the development of professional education basic skills, especially the 3 R's. What is the philosophical basis for this? A. Essentialism. B. Existentialism, circa progressivism. D. Reconstructionism. 9. Values education is an additional subject in the Philippine New Secondary Curriculum. Which educational philosophy justifies this change in the curriculum? A. Humanism. B. Existentialism, circa Reconstructionism. D. Progressivism. 10. The establishment of special classes for the deaf, mute and the blind in various schools in the system is in consonance with education as A. Formal discipline. B. The study of humanities. C. Social reconstruction. D. Scientifically determined process. Answers: number 1, A, number 2, A, number 3, A, number 4, C, number 5, D, number 6, A, number 7, B, number 8, A, number 9, C, number 10, C.